Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to discuss about my model question paper about that blueprint which I have showed you. I have prepared this model question paper according to that. So you can have a look how I have written, as we are always give this type of rules. First we perform a paper, like we are not allowed to write during the first 15 minutes, and all questions attempt from section and any 3 questions from section we have prepared as it is according to me. So here I start with MCQ type questions. Now you can have a look at all these questions. 1 mark for each I have prepared. First I need to show to you that after that blueprint I have made this also. You can see this, look at this design of the question paper, how I have made that. Weightage of the objectives, like knowledge questions I have set up for 30%, understanding questions I have set up for 40% of those questions, application is 20%, and creativity 10% questions. And then after weightage of form of questions I have prepared. Long answer type, how much? 3 questions. Short answer 5, very short answer 10, objective type 10, and marks I've divided into 10 questions for 1 marks, 10 questions for 2 marks, 5 questions for 5 marks, and 3 questions for 15 marks. The total number comes here: 3 into 15 45, 5 into 5 25, and I've also set the minutes, in how many minutes a child should complete these type of questions. Now coming back to our question paper, setting of question paper. So I've showed you, I've made these questions. Have a look at these questions. This is the first question. This is the second question. All are MCQ type questions. Coming to the next page. I've given true false also in this. Coming to the next page. Now here comes these very short answer type questions. 2 marks each. Coming to the next page. Now coming to the next page, now we come here with short answer type questions which are of 5 marks each. Is it clear? There are 5 questions on this page for short answer type questions. Coming to the next page, section B, which is the long answer type questions. I've given 4 questions in which you have to perform 3. Children have to perform 3 questions. Now this is the model question paper for that blueprint. Here the question paper is completed. You should always perform the question, make the question paper which is suitable for the child. He can complete in a suitable period of time. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be coming up with more videos.